For that, my lords, he had, my lords, at the juncture, my lords, when the offence was committed, he was in the ATM. That's why
Offense, what is the offense punishable?
302, my lord.
302. Throughout the time of the incident, that's why I asked you, were you sleeping in the ATM?
Lords, at least to respondent, my lords, the bank is directed to preserve the CCTV footage.
Oh, at the time of trials, nothing.
My lords, that time, if the CCTV footage is not available, my lords, my
Bloodstained clothes, knife is recovered at the instance. He is the main person who assaulted him.
at least bank may be directed to preserve the CCTV footage.
Nothing.
Otherwise, my lords, they will delete it. Then, my lords, my valuable defense, my lords, would be deprived.
Yes.
I appear for the petitioner. Section 91 application, my lords, has been rejected.
ಏನು CCTV footage ಏನು?
Seek, my lords, defense of my lords, Alibi, my lords, is pleaded by the accused number 1. For that, my lords, he had, my lords, at the juncture, my lords, when the offence was committed, he was in the ATM. That's why, my lords, he has sought for
ATM CCTV footage ಬೇಕಾ? Offense ATM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ?
But he
You're
has
sleeping in the ATM?
gone to withdraw the amount. Not
Gone
so-
to withdraw the amount.
Please,
Offense, what is the offense punishable?
302.
302, my lord.
302.
My lord, the trial court rejected on
Anything else, sir?
Only, my lords, sought for CCTV footages. My lords,
That is
else-
not going to prove your innocence. You know, throughout the time of the incident, that's why I asked you, were you sleeping in the ATM?
my lords,
Huh?
in the complaint, the time alleged by the prosecution, my lords, in
Huh.
the charge sheet.
Huh.
My lords, the case of the accused is that, my lords, he was in the ATM.
How long were you in the ATMs?
My lords, the place of incident, my lords, and the ATM, my lords, is about 10 kilometers away, my lords. That
10 kilometers away.
distance, my lords, that he has to travel, my lords, and the alleged involvement, my lords. Only for that reason.
Nothing, sir. Yeah, why is it rejected?
My lord, before framing of charge, my lord, this application came to be filed, my lord. The trial court has rejected on one of the ground, my lord. Trial not yet commenced. It is
ಆಮೇಲೆ
their
ಮಾಡಿ
defense.
91
plea of
ಬರೋದು
alibi
ಆಮೇಲೆ.
can be
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
taken
ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ
up by-
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Queen Narvekar, my lords, apex
ಆ
court.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ,
Even
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
before charge, my
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾ.
kindly, my lords, at least, my lords, the bank may be directed, my lords, to reserve this. My lords,
ಆಯ್ತು, ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೈಟ್ at the time of
difficulty is
trial.
this, my lords, more than a year, they will not.
At the time of trial, sir.
Please, my difficulty is this, my lords, more than a year, they don't preserve the CCTV footages. At least they,
ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸರ್?
23 May, my lords.
ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ,
Now, my lords,
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ
I have made-
ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Allah, I have made a representation
Oh,
requested,
no.
and my lords, I have brought to the notice that this criminal petition is pending. My lords, at least to respondent, my lords, the bank is directed to preserve the CCTV footage.
Oh, at the time of trials, nothing.
My lords, that time, if the CCTV footage is not available, my lords, my
It is not so is that ATM ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
And my
What
lord,
is the time of the incident?
lords, they say about 9:10, my lords, in the morning.
9:10 in the
And that is the time of incident, is what they say. My lords, I was at that time, I was in the, lords,
ATM.
my lords, I have got the slip, my lords, for withdrawal slip.
Withdrawal slip ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9:10 ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅದಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
Lords, that is why, my lords, I was personally, my lords, in the,
my lord,
At the
but
time
only
of trial.
valuable defense, my
clothes
lords,
have
right
been
of defense
recovered, my
will be
lord.
defeated.
At the time of trial.
bloodstained clothes, knife is recovered at the instance. He is the main person who assaulted him. And
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ATM
164 statement of
after assault he went to the ATM. Appears like that.
My lords, at least bank may be directed to preserve the CCTV footage.
Nothing.
Otherwise, my lords, they will delete it. Then, my lords, my valuable defense, my lords, would be deprived.
Yes. Plea of alibi after murder? Yes.
At least, my lords. That direction, my lords.
No,
The bank, my lords, to preserve the
nothing.
CCTV footage.
Whatever trial, there is no warrant of interference.
To
At
that
the time
extent,
of trial, you reserve your right for everything at the time of
is
trial.
what even trial court has observed.
my lords, if I make an application and if the CCTV footages are not available, my lords, my
What was the date?
May 5, 2023, my lords. Now I have requested the bank,
Already ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
my lords, kindly, my lords, the bank may be at least directed.
No, no, no. Yes.
My lords, at that juncture, if I make an application also, if the CCTV footages are not
After
available,
charges are framed, yes, you can approach the court.
my lords, if the CCTV
Hey.
footages are then not available, my lords, my
You, ಏನು withdraw ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
liberty, my lords, my
Liberty is there. The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order passed by the concerned court rejecting an application under section 91 of the CRPC. The petitioner, accused number?
1 minute.
The petitioner is accused number 1 and is charged of murder under section 302 of the IPC. The contention of the petitioner is at the time of the incident, i.e. at 9:10 PM, 9:10 AM, he was 10 kilometers away in an automated teller machine drawing some money. And the plea that is taken is that he could not be present at the scene of crime. The learned HCGP would submit that the recovery, the material
Recovery-
objects,
Recovery of bloodstained clothes, my lord. and the
recovery of
knife
blood-stained clothes and material objects are from the hands of the petitioner, accused number 1. Therefore, no fault can be found with the order passed by the concerned court. The petitioner always has a right, after the charge is being framed, to file an application under section 91 of the CRPC. Yes, with the aforesaid observation, petition stands.
Liberty may be-
Always open until next, yes.